We know that things in school still aren't back to normal and that there are concerns about gaps in learning as you prepare your learners for summer exams. This is where we can help. WJC has teamed up with the Welsh Government and teaching specialists to design a comprehensive package of learning and revision support, including more than 3,000 free blended learning lessons, covering a wide range of GCSE and A-level subjects and topics. You'll find the lessons focused, relevant to the exam, and highly engaging. How could blended learning be used in your classroom? There are 6 strategies. Station rotation. For station rotation, the lesson should be arranged in the following way. Students can spend the lesson rotating around the stations, or could be fixed at one station for the entire lesson. This allows the teacher to focus on the same learning objectives while supporting small groups at a time through addressing misconceptions, explaining concepts, or challenging those more able students. The online lesson could be used to support those who need further consolidation, allowing them to access the content at their own pace. More able learners could start with the online lesson before follow-up discussion with the teacher to challenge learning. Group work could be on practicing an exam question or peer marking each other's work. Lab rotation. You need a computer suite and an extra adult for a lab rotation strategy. Part of the class would start the online lesson in the lab. This could be more able students who are gaining knowledge before seeing the teacher. The teacher could introduce the knowledge to the rest of the class before they go to the computer lab. The online lesson could be used to reinforce learning and allow students to access content at their own pace. The teacher could also spend time with more able students to develop skills. Flipped learning. For flipped learning, students use the blended learning lesson to gain the content knowledge at home before the lesson. This will allow them to complete the activities and past paper questions. In class, the teacher can then use the time to address misconceptions, develop higher order skills, group mark exam answers, and focus on strengths and weaknesses. Flex model. With the flex model, if there are enough devices available for the whole class, then teachers could use all the resources we have developed to build individual learning plans for their students, giving them the flexibility to learn at their own pace. Mastery learning. Mastery learning enables students to study at their own pace. They work through the lessons and must answer the quizzes correctly before moving on to the next lesson. This could be reinforced with students answering an exam question which is marked by a teacher. There should be an agreed grade the student should achieve before being able to move on to the next lesson. Supplemental learning. With supplemental learning, online lessons can be used to continue learning outside of the classroom. This could be to reinforce the content covered, or could be to extend the understanding of more able students through follow-on activities or exam questions. Give your revision plans a boost today. You can access all our free blended learning lessons and resources at resources.wjc.co.uk.